Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel One Two Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sign in to WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, let's get into WhatsApp app. So here it is. Now we need to choose our language and proceed. Now agree and continue. And we can allow or not allow the notifications. Now write your phone number here. Now click on next. Now you can simply continue. Now we'll get a code. So here it is. Now we can simply click on continue. Allow or not allow the contacts. Now you can type your name here. Now click on next. So this is it. Now you are in your WhatsApp app. So that is all you can do to sign in WhatsApp. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.